Compass is the world's largest catering and support services business. I'm tremendously proud to work for them. They have 500,000 employees worldwide, have a revenue of about 42 billion pounds.
We have about 45,000 colleagues in our business. We operate across 4,000 locations. We serve around 180 million meals per year across various sectors, from sports stadiums through to schools, hospitals, etc.
Is that it was tremendously difficult to do your day job. And for me, our day job is to serve great food and engage really well with our client base. We're unable to do that all of the time because we have a lot of systems that get in our way. They are fairly clunky and repetitive. We spend an awful lot of time on administrative activity.
Some of our frontline colleagues probably spend 60% of their time doing that rather than actually spending time with our clients. We are looking to start to remove some of our legacy technology to provide a fully integrated platform, so we remove siloed technologies. We're looking to build a great user front end.
So the pace of our market is absolutely breathless. We move at the pace that our clients dictate. So what we're hoping with Neptune is it allows us to become a much more agile, efficient business where we can make decisions based on the data that Neptune will actually provide us.
First thing, we're hoping that Neptune will help us both in terms of using Neptune's open and the SAP DXP platform, that we'll be able to provide open APIs to a lot of our downstream systems. So that's great. That's the ability for just us to hook into those systems once through Neptune rather than having to build point-to-point integrations like we do today. Then the next thing that we're looking for Neptune to help us with then is to orchestrate movement of data between systems. So we've got siloed data, we just want to join it all up together. And then obviously building some fantastic UIs for our frontline staff to use, something that's really intuitive to use.
It aims to integrate, it aims to create great user interfaces that our users can use in a really simple way that reduces the amount of training that we need to do. One of the first endeavours that we've got is around creating a new inventory solution for the business. Now, this inventory solution should allow us to measure waste in a much more effective way. And if we can do that, then we can improve it because we can see it.
The next step then is to actually use AI to drive decision making, to enable our frontline staff to make the right decisions. And we're seeing Neptune being really important in that, and the AI capability of Neptune to actually take a lot of decision making away from our frontline staff. I'm really looking for Neptune to become part of the Compass technology business, really, and to help us work through those challenges and find innovative ways of resolving those challenges that we have.
People buy what you do and not how you do it.